what's up with it again, boy? TPF Empire. I know you guys be tuning in. It's going crazy. It's going down. You see what's going on, man. Today, man, I got something crazy going, man. I ain't never tried this before. I've never tried this before. But today, I'm going to go outside in the open. I'm going to go out with the human beings, and I'm going to ask them questions, okay? So, you guys need to come along, and you're going to see. This is very uncut. Nothing is planned. As you can see, I'm going to roll out with the whip. But I might do some questions on this, some questions on that. You guys just gotta see for real though. But so, come on, let's go there. Come on, man, let's roll. Let's go. Pretty good.
How about you?
Good. Man, I got a YouTube channel, and then I'm just gonna ask you guys a few questions. You down? No. Not really. Come on, you scared of the camera? All right, bro, you was down, huh? Yeah. What's up with you, fam? What's up with you? You straight? Yeah, so look, check this out, bro. This TPF Empire, right? Yeah. We got an interview going right now. We're going to ask a few questions. We interviewing you, bro. We're going to ask you a few questions, fool. Hey, the first question is, can you name 5 countries in Africa?
Shit. That's Egypt, right?
Yeah. Egypt one.
South Africa count?
Yeah. That's 2.
Morocco count?
Yeah.
New Guinea?
Yeah.
And then another one. What's another one?
One more, bro.
Nah, wait. It's a culture.
It's about 50 countries, something like more than that.
Do you think I remember all of it?
One more, bro. One more.
Shit. I'm going through all the teams in FIFA trying to figure that shit out.
One more, bro. One more. But you got 20 seconds.
Sadio Mane.
Ghana. He got 5. So look,
Now I thought about Senegal.
See, exactly. Look. We're gonna ask you one more question then, right? Hey, what comes down but never goes back up?
What comes down but never goes back up?
Yeah.
Shit.
Come on, you got 20 seconds. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Just say something. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
You said what comes up and never comes down?
Yeah. What goes down never comes up.
I don't know.
Rain, fool. I got one more for you, bro. What got hands but can't clap? Hey, come on, bro.
None of them around here? Some females. Yeah.
Nah, bro. It's a clock, bro. It's a clock. It got hands but can't clap. Yeah, it got 2. Alright, you ready? You want to do another one? Or you want this to be the last one? That's it? Alright, bro. Appreciate. Hey, man. You want to shout yourself out to the channel, bro?
Nah, it's straight.
It's straight?
Keep on the down low. It's straight.
It's straight? Alright, say no more, bro. Alright, man. See you, bro. Appreciate that. It's really dark right now, man. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I failed, man. I couldn't do no public interview, bro. Because, man, I really just, you know what I'm saying? It's not my type of vibe. I tried and I failed. It's cool, bro. You live and you learn for real, though. But it's all good, though. You know what I'm saying? What I'm really finna do is I'm finna really do the first 360 in this joint right here, really, because I ain't really done nothing, you know what I'm saying? I thought there was something on there. I ain't really done nothing. So, you know, me and Pooh Shiesty back in high school, we used to do this, really, man. Shiesty, he really taught me how to do this. I was sliding with him, bro. If y'all really want to ask him anything, just be like, hey, bro, you know ADB Chopper? He gonna tell you, like, man, me and Shiesty, man, we were doing in high school. I was sliding with him in the skats and all that. You know what I'm saying? That really was why I got the Hellcat, but you know, but for real though, I'm really finna show y'all what Shiesty had me, you know, what he taught me though, for real. Watch this, bro, for real. But since I failed y'all, bro, I'm finna give y'all a little extra little fun. I know y'all ain't seen this. Look at this RA coming through, boy. That joint right there, they ain't even touch that. You see what we working with, boy. You see what we working with, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna show you on a little song real quick. You know what I'm saying? Let me go ahead and get in this jump, you know what I'm saying? Do the first one, really. Let me warm up the tires. Wow. Let me see what I do. See that? Like that? Alright, let me go ahead and spin there. I really did it wrong though. I'm finna do it.
Wait, some more cars, coming, fool.
You said what?
There's some cars, fool. There's some cars behind you.
I see.
Let them jump past.
How was that? How it look though?
Nah, that jump was hard, fool. That jump was hard.
Precisely, fool.
Hey, he's lying
I told y'all
there.
doing it with precisely. Tell me how he doing it with precisely, man. I hit that joint the other way too if you need.
Yeah, shoot, if you want to, fool.
One more time.
Yeah.
Huh?
Go ahead.
Go ahead, one more time. Come on, man. Hey, bro, I really told y'all, fool, me and Pooh Shiesty, bro. Pooh Shiesty, he used to let me whip that jump, bro, and he used to rap in that jump. You know what I'm saying? We were talking about no fast security in the club, you thought you was a thug. All that, fool, I was doing it, fool. Ask the man, ADB Chopper, fool. K Carbon, fool, go ahead, tell her hit me up for real, though, bro. Tell her I'm the real street now, fool, for real, though. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. ADB, you know what that stand for, though, bro. I can't really tell, but just know the first letter stand for African, boy. You know I'm African with it. I've been doing with it, bro. I'm the first African you seen to do that, bro. All that Memphis talk for real, though. I ain't even done with y'all, bro. I'm really finna show y'all. I slide around this corner real quick, bro. I'm so certified, fool.
We know you certified, but you ain't gotta do it.
I'm just saying, for you know who I really want to do it with, bro? Hey, RP to my boy Bitch Scar for real, though. You know what I'm saying? I really want to do a Bitch Scar because he was certified a little bit like me, though. He wasn't like me, but I really could have taught him something a little bit, fool. But I'm really finna hit up like one more location tonight. Probably like do a little, you know what I'm saying, little quick jump, and then I'm finna like probably just chill out a little bit. But look though, that my little spot down there, bro. If y'all really see it, if y'all see 12, let me know. But for real though, we really doing it out here though. I'm telling you, I suck at the public interviews, but I slide the car though. I ain't gotta talk to nobody to slide the car. It's my car. I slide it whenever I want. When I sell this, I'm gonna be like lightly used.